Hi guys and welcome back. Today we'll look at how to download and install Omega Maintenance CMMS, also called OMC, in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Verify whether you have the 32-bit or the 64-bit version of Microsoft Access installed on your computer. Step 2. Download OMC software from our website. And Step 3. Install OMC software on your computer. Now OMC has a 32-bit and a 64-bit version and is designed to run with Microsoft Access. You should therefore select the current version of OMC to match the version of Microsoft Access on your computer. To determine the version of Microsoft Access on your computer, open any Microsoft Office application and click on Account. Then click on About. Now at the top left of the page you will see either 32-bit or 64-bit Office. Now for the case where you do not have Microsoft Access on your computer, this is not a problem because Microsoft has a free version of Access that is available for download from its website. During the installation of OMC, the installer will check your computer to see if Microsoft Access is already installed. If it does not find it, the installer will notify you and request your permission to download and install the free version of Access from the Microsoft website. Now for Step 2. We will download the free version of OMC from our website. So, open your browser and type OMC CMMS in the search bar. Navigate to the download page for the free CMMS. Click on the correct link to begin the download. Now the final step is to install OMC on your computer. So double-click the downloaded file to begin the installation. If your computer smart screen pops up a window, simply press More Information to display the publisher of the software, which should be Omega Technology. Click Run Anyway and follow the steps to complete the installation. Now please note that if you wish to view the list of downloaded files, right-click on the desktop icon and select Open File Location. Here, you will note that an Excel workbook is included in the download. This workbook is used with the Data Entry Wizard to import your equipment data into OMC. You should also check the help file to make sure it is not in blocked state. To do this, right-click on the help file, then select Properties. Select Unblock if the help file is in a blocked state. This completes our discussion on downloading and installing OMC. Thanks for watching.